Hello everybody, today I'm finishing my 6 months of learning English language by one book. Today I passed my last exam and I'm very happy because I'm learning a lot of things in this extra English. When I pay this language at first I can't speak with a lot of people because I don't know the English language. But during the day I listening, learning, reading, writing and do another things for my grammar, for my speaking. I during this one during the day. But now I can speak with a lot of people, who know this language very perfectly. But I want to say that to you that pay this extra English one book and during the day learning because you can speak like mine speaking. But it is very good because you can speak with a lot of people, go to the different countries and speak with a lot of different people. Goodbye, everybody.